boosters, here's a strategy that you need to test out. You really need to test out this strategy. So firstly, I'm gonna just dive into it. It's a two-step strategy with your super trend indicator and your Heikin Ashi candlesticks. In order to look for a buy signal, you need to get our Heikin Ashi candlesticks to be oversold, and then we get a buy signal from our indicator as such. You take a buy, stop loss underneath the low. There we go. And to get a sell signal, what we're gonna do is wait for our candlesticks to be overbought, and then you get a sell signal from your indicator there. There we go. You can see we had a small win there. Actually, this might have been a loss. Anyway, let's go on. We had a nice oversold area there, and we eventually got a sell. That was a nice one. You can see it does work. As far as the win rate goes, I would say this is about a 70% win rate strategy. But what I like about it is that the risk reward is great. So that means over time you will be on the profitable side. But yeah, man, there is so many other opportunities. Try it out. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help. Have a good day.